Jammu and Kashmir, Lakshadweep and Puducherry. Meghalaya Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh on Tuesday has said that overall the state government is keen to sustain the efforts of the department to focus on high-end, low-volume tourists, which basically means they will rather go for quality tourists with the ability to spend rather than tourists with low budget, and who rather adds to the littering and only increases the footfall in the state. He said that, being focused, the department has taken several infrastructural projects and these projects are in high demand.
Well, overall, the state government is keen to sustain the efforts of the department to focus on high-end tourists and high-end, low-volume tourism, which basically means that we would rather go for quality tourists with the ability to spend rather than tourists with lower budget and who rather add to the littering and only increase the footfalls in the state. So